Hey everybody, it's Wednesday, November 27th. I wanted to show you something on the website here. Whenever a stock changes its band position or its risk position, we show here, like for example, you can see that UAVS in the last week, it actually jumped the band. So it went from EM0 to EM2 plus. So here's the charts for comparisons. Kind of hard to see here, but what has changed during that period of time was also it's become riskier. Like you can see that the actual stoplight color has changed. So whatever is related to this news, it's probably related to some sort of offering or filing status change. So that's one of the things that you can look at when you look at these charts pairwise. So here's FBRX. So this stock, we didn't have Bob turned on when this chart was run, but here you can see that this has basically been what we call a band runner. So it basically went from just below EM0 to just above EM2, which shows you what the width of the bands is sort of calibrated to check. So Bob tripped here, and then there was a volume event before the move. So you can see this jump 2 bands. So this is one way of like seeing what has happened in a stock. Like you can see there's been no change in the stoplights here. The band hasn't adjusted. The FST isn't there. There's now a new event that we found, which basically is aligning the FST window. But other than that, you can make a side-by-side comparison for everything. All right, guys, have a good week.